Have you seen those insane tiny world videos taking over YouTube and TikTok right now? You know, the ones with a miniature construction crew building a real chocolate cake. They are getting millions of views, but making them used to cost thousands of dollars or require advanced 3D animation skills. Today, that changes. Welcome back to App Predict. Today we are looking at MiniVerse AI. My quick verdict: if you want to build a highly profitable faceless channel or sell video ads to local businesses without ever showing your face or buying a camera, this is the biggest shortcut I have seen all year. It is a complete game changer. But there is one upgrade you absolutely need to make it work, which I will reveal in a minute. So what exactly is MiniVerse AI? It is a 100% cloud-based app that turns simple text ideas into cinematic, scroll-stopping miniature videos in minutes. It's perfect for new affiliate marketers, content creators, and agency owners who have zero video editing skills, no equipment, and no budget for actors. It solves the biggest problem we all face: how to create videos that actually stop the scroll so you can get free traffic and sales. Plus, if you grab this through my link in the description, I'm giving you an exclusive stock of 10 premium bonuses that you will not find anywhere else. me show you how this software works. Once you log into the dashboard, you'll see how beginner-friendly it is. You do not need to download or install anything. You just type in a simple text prompt. For example, you can type, "Create a tiny chef cooking a giant pizza." The AI instantly generates the lifelike miniature characters, builds the environment, and adds cinematic motion. It even has a one-click script writer and over 100 human-sounding AI voices built right in. You just click export and you have a viral-ready video. You can even translate it into over 100 languages to reach a global audience, completely hands-free.
What if you could create stunning cinematic miniature videos without building miniature sets, without expensive cameras, without actors, without editing videos, and without spending hours learning video production? Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Thanks to the latest breakthroughs in AI, you can now turn simple ideas into fascinating miniature worlds and scroll-stopping viral miniature videos in minutes. Did you know? Every day, millions of people are watching, sharing, and engaging with miniature videos across social media. And miniature content is exploding across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, from tiny houses and miniature cities to tiny workers, giant food, adorable animals, fantasy worlds, and cinematic miniature stories. People simply can't stop watching. And here's what makes this opportunity even more exciting. Miniature videos can generate massive attention, likes and shares, new followers, YouTube views, potential revenue, client and brand opportunities. But there's one big problem. Creating professional miniature videos traditionally requires expensive equipment, physical miniature sets, props and lighting, video production skills, hours of editing. Until now, AI has changed everything. Instead of building miniature worlds physically, you can create them digitally with AI. Instead of spending hours producing one video, you can turn your ideas into miniature content faster and easier. Introducing MiniVerse AI, world's first AI app that instantly turns any idea, keyword, or script into scroll-stopping cinematic miniature videos in 100+ languages. Complete with tiny worlds, miniature characters, giant objects, realistic AI animation, Hollywood-style cinematic motion, and much more. All for a low one-time fee. No complicated production, no physical miniature sets, no expensive cameras, no advanced skills, no expensive studio. Just imagine to create to share. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Enter your idea. Describe anything you want to create. A tiny chef, a miniature city, a giant kitchen, tiny construction workers, a fantasy world, or anything else you can imagine. Step 2. Let AI create it. MiniVerse AI helps transform your idea into a captivating miniature scene and video. Step 3. Download and share create content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, websites, ads, and more. That's it. Whether you're a creator, YouTuber, marketer, agency, freelancer, business owner, or entrepreneur, MiniVerse AI gives you a completely new way to create attention-grabbing content. A single miniature video can continue generating views, engagement, traffic, and opportunities long after you publish it. That means every miniature video you create has the potential to keep bringing you free organic reach, social media views and engagement, new followers and subscribers, email subscribers, qualified leads, new clients, product and affiliate sales, business opportunities, brand authority, new income streams, and you can use it for more than your own channels. Create miniature videos for restaurants, brands, businesses, creators, YouTubers, clients. Create videos for yourself, or create and sell stunning miniature videos to clients for $300 to $500 per video while keeping 100% of your profits. Let's talk about value. If you hired professionals to create just one high-quality miniature video, you could easily spend $500, $1,000, even $5,000 or more, and that's just for one video. But today, you won't need expensive cameras. You won't need actors, studios, sets, or production teams. You won't need to pay monthly fees to multiple tools. Because during this special launch, you can get MiniVerse AI for a low one-time fee. Create, publish, repeat. It gets even better. Your purchase is completely risk-free. You're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, we'll refund every penny. But don't wait. This is a limited-time launch offer. Once it ends, the price will increase. Lifetime access may disappear. Exclusive bonuses may be removed. So if you want to lock in the lowest price, now is the time to act. So, will you keep watching other creators make miniature videos? Or will you start creating your own? Click the button below to get MiniVerse AI copy today. Create stunning miniature videos. Grow your audience. Build attention-grabbing content for any platform. Create content for clients, businesses, and brands. And turn your creativity into new income opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button below to get MiniVerse AI today before this special launch offer disappears. Start imagining, start creating, start building your MiniVerse. We'll see you inside.
Now, let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The main MiniVerse AI software is just $14.97 right now. This is a one-time fee and it includes the commercial license, meaning you keep 100% of the profit if you sell these videos to clients. But there are two upgrades you should seriously consider. Upgrade 1 is the premium edition for $47. I highly recommend this one because it removes the MiniVerse branding and watermarks and unlocks premium visual styles. If you want to look professional and make money with this, you need the watermarks gone. Upgrade 2 is the unlimited edition for $97. If you plan to pump out daily YouTube shorts or run a video agency, this removes all daily limits on video generation, prompts, and cloud storage. The other upgrades in the funnel are great, but completely optional depending on how fast you want to scale. If you want to get the absolute most out of MiniVerse AI, you need a solid traffic strategy. That's why I put together a custom bonus package for anyone who buys through the link below. Here are the 10 exclusive bonuses you get completely free today. Bonus 1, Tubletics, an all-in-one YouTube tool to help you find viral tags, analyze your competitors, and rank your new miniature videos. Bonus 2, Socio Ultima, a powerful software that automatically shares your videos across major social networks for free targeted traffic. Bonus 3, Traffic Secrets Unleashed, a private training revealing hidden traffic sources to get laser-targeted buyers for pennies. Bonus 4, WP Video Commission Plugin. Easily create video affiliate review pages to monetize your new videos and build a list. Bonus 5, Affiliate Marketing Thrive, a complete video course on how to stand out and maximize your affiliate commissions using your new content. Bonus 6, Leadbook Generator, automatically build your email list directly from your video traffic using Facebook lead ads integration. Bonus 7, Vid Survey, gather product feedback and keep viewers engaged with interactive video questionnaires. Bonus 8, Viral Suite, build your own viral content sharing platform to host and monetize your miniature videos. Bonus 9, Share Blast, a revolutionary social share tool that forces your content to go viral across 42 different networks. And Bonus 10, WP Swift Page Plugin, because fast-loading pages mean higher conversions when you send your new video traffic to your affiliate links. You get all 10 of these premium bonuses automatically delivered instantly inside your Warrior Plus account when you purchase MiniVerse AI today. But you have to act fast. This exact bonus package is strictly limited to the first 25 buyers only. Once those 25 spots are gone, the system will automatically remove the bonuses. MiniVerse AI is tapping into a massive viral trend right now. Click the first link in the description to secure your copy and lock in your 25-spot bonus package before it's too late. Thank you for watching this MiniVerse AI review here on App Verdict. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest software reviews, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.